Hello, beauties. Welcome to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone for being here. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Your first time here, subscribe to this channel. Be a part of this video by hitting the like button. Comment in the comment section below to let me know how you feel in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. In Wendy Styles, we promote short hairstyles. We try to make you look beautiful in your short hairstyles because short hairstyles is the best, is trending, and is the best hair anyone can think of because it makes you look younger, it makes you look elegant, it brings that African beauty in any black woman. Okay, just try those short hairstyles before you hear and let me know how you feel in the comment section below because these are lovely cute videos, tips on how you can make your short hair right in your room. Even if you know you can make it yourself, you can take those kind of styles to your hairstylist and they're gonna give you the kind of style you're looking for. Okay, not just this video, there are many of my videos you can check out for yourself that are beautiful, that have beautiful and exquisite short hairstyles you can try this new year. Okay, please don't skip the ads, always watch the ads, please always watch the ads. I appreciate my returning subscribers, I appreciate my new subscribers, I appreciate you being first here in this video, first time to watch this video and also subscribe. I appreciate everyone. You all are awesome and God will continue to grant on your requests. Okay, these are lovely cute um videos, lovely cute short styles you can think of. Okay, let me just allow you to watch this beautiful clip we have for you here. See you at the end of the video.
So much for you, so much for you, but you already moved up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, ain't nobody that's keeps winning, and I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you ready? So much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you already moved up. I can do so much for you, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you already moved up. He got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? Now he's ready. I'm talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, so much for you, but you already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got booed up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else I'm gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? 90s ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Why you go get somebody? Tell me why you went and boot up. Touch my body, Mariah Carey said, ain't nobody that's Keith Sweat. And I wanna be with you till the end. I wanna be a man. Baby, are you so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. Ooh, so much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety. Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up. So why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms.
Can't you see these are the best short hairstyles? Okay, so you can try it yourself or take some of them to your beauty salon and they're going to give you what you want. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to let me know how you feel in the comment section below, and I appreciate you that subscribe to this channel. I promise not to fail you guys. I promise to bring great videos at your doorpost. Okay, thanks everyone for your time. Always stay locked to Wendy Styles, for here we bring trending short hairstyles that are currently popular and the best styles that can make you look younger and beautiful every day. Thanks and God bless you all. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.